Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can add indent on our word file on both sides of the paper. For example, this is the word file you can see here, and I want to make the abstract in center, or else we can say like we want to add indentation to this document. Then how we can do that? Okay, for that the paragraph or the sections that you want to edit, or you want to add the space on both side of it, you just need to select the data. For example, if I select the abstract and keywords of my paper, and after that because I want to add the indentation to this section only, but keeping others as it is. Okay, so once the data is selected, we will do right click on our PC, and then this menu bar will open to us. Okay, from here you need to go to paragraph, this one. Once the paragraph is you clicked, this dialog box will open to you. Here you can see the option of indentation, left and right. So if you want to add only left indentation, you can add, you can just because here in its current form it is 00. If you want to make it only on the left side, you can add, for example, if I want to make it as 1 centimeter, and then keeping the right as it is, then I will do the changes on the left option and then click on OK. So here you can see the data has been indented from the left side, but the right side it is zeros. Okay, it is normal page. But if you want to keep a on both side, left and right, you can just again do right click, select the data, do right click, and then go to paragraph, and then you can change right side as well as 1 centimeter, then click on OK. So here you can see the paragraph or the selected portion has been indented 1 centimeter from each side, left and right. So this is the normal introduction. You can see it is 0 centimeter from both sides, but the abstract and keywords, it has been these sections have been indented 1 centimeter from each side. So here you can do this kind of changes to your Word document. Here you can also see another option of these line numbers that are continuous throughout the paper. We have already discussed about how you can add these continuous line numbers. That is one of the requirement of most journals during the submission process. So we will provide the link of that video in the description. If you have not checked before, we will ask you to check that before submitting your paper to any kind of journal, because the 96% you can say 96% of the journals, they ask you to add continuous line number to your main paper file before submitting it to the journal. Okay, so this is all about today's video. We will come in next video with some more interesting topics. Till then, Allah Hafiz.